Welcome, in this video I will show you how to enable power saver mode on XIAOMI 15T. To quickly enable it, you have to swipe down the control center and tap on the battery icon right here. Alternatively, you can go to settings, scroll down to battery, tap on it, then select current mode and change it to battery saver. Additionally, you can also use ultra battery saver, but it will disable most of your device's functions. Now, once you select battery saver, you'll be able to change battery saver settings. As you can see here, you can switch on or off some additional settings of your battery saver, like don't wait screen for notifications, turn off always on display, disable battery saver when your phone is charged to 50%, and you can also schedule the time to switch between modes. If here you have to provide two values which will determine the start and the end of the battery saver working on your phone. Here you can also enable the turn off when charged feature for ultra battery saver, and here you can enable hibernation when battery is extremely low on your phone by switching this toggle to the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.